2021 2.0 turbo right here. Yes, I'm wearing a mask. You guys might hear my voice like that, but this is the front right now. The front is different. It's kind of windy outside, so yeah, the front is different from the 2020. We have like the high beam right here, and this is the front headlight is different from the one before. Especially the same thing with the bottom fog lights right there in the circle instead of a LED strip. The front is it's nicer. I feel like the sensor here is bigger now from the one before. So it might be more accurate for the sensor and everything. So it's different for sure. The front does look nicer. It comes out a bit more. The splitters on the sides, so it's really nice. Yeah, just the wheels, just the same sport wheels from the 2019. I'm not sure if it's on 2018, but yeah, I have a 2019 and 2020, the 1.5 turbo. This 2.0 just has the same wheels as I have. They got a wheel lock on it. I see one right there. And the tires are Michelin tires. What else? So far the curve, as far as the curve goes, it's still the same. The aerodynamics and everything. That's the chrome. The exhaust in the back. The same tips. Exhaust tips for 2.0 Sport, of course. The same tail lights. If you have, aftermarket ones, go ahead and install them on. But we have the rear view camera on this one as well. Where is it? Right there. It's a 2.0, yeah. So I'm going to show you guys inside real quick. The gas tank is on the same side. And that's what it looks like. This is up here in upstate, guys. So, but it's a lot cheaper than you would pay in like the city, New York, like city. That's too much. I guess it's the sensor right here for the key and everything like that, which is good. As far as interior goes, interior as far as almost the same thing. Leather, of course, a 2.0. So you got the leather steering wheel. Looks good. You got the paddle shifters, and then down here you got everything in buttons instead of like the gear shifter. So you got sport mode, and you click on it. Yeah, so it does turn red like the other ones. Sport mode, we got drive, neutral, reverse. I guess reverse, you kind of push it backwards. And this parking, that's the key. That's what the key looks like. Yeah, so 2.0 does come with a remote start. I mean, you might have an option for it, but as far as what I'm looking at right now, that's what we got. So we got this touchscreen. Yes, it is touchscreen, so it's just good. Might have more features, I don't know. Looks the same, but touchscreen is really good, of course. In the bottom, I guess, there you go. So nice. So in the bottom we got charging pad here, or like wireless charging, I guess. This is really nice, and it got 2 USBs instead of 1. So one, I believe, goes to CarPlay, and one would go to, I think it's got wireless CarPlay. Yeah, one USB would go there for the wireless charging, and that'll be wireless CarPlay into your the screen right here. This is really nice. Yeah, they're definitely upgrading, and that's the interior right now from the front. The top right here. Yeah, you got the moonroof and everything. I'm going to show you a different color right now too. A beautiful one that came out. Hold on a second. There's the moonroof up here. Interior right there. I gotta say, I love that color.
I do too. I know. My lease is up in a year, and I think I'm getting that.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, that color is my beautiful mix. That's the interior from the back. It's spacious again. It's really beautiful. So I'll go ahead and go for a test drive and see how it drives. I'll keep you posted. 2.0. It is motorized seats, so it's good. I'll lower it down. I'm gonna go back. So I'm sitting comfortably. I'm gonna drive it a little bit. And yeah, that's that, and everything is different here. So this is the 2.0 again. The heat, alright, this is good. Steering wheel has the same stuff here. That's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a nice drive in regular mode and the sport mode as well, and we'll see how that goes. So I'm driving in normal mode right now. Just kind of floor it. It's really comfortable. The gears change really quick and smooth. I feel it. So yeah, it's definitely fast from the 1.5. I believe it has 252 horsepower, but I will make sure. But the drive is really comfortable. Wow, this is really nice. Feels good. It's smooth. The steering wheel is really good. It's leather, of course. So wow, that is fast. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. I have to go back to the dealership and go ahead for a 1.5. So stay tuned, guys. How the shifters work, guys. Put your foot on the brakes and just press a button. I'm gonna go ahead and go back into the dealership and switch out to the 1.5. This is how it is. Wow, I feel that power. You don't even have to modify it, just get an exhaust system, that's it. And then possibly intake, of course. This is amazing. Paddle shifters, it's got the paddle shifters. So yeah, it feels good. Sport mode. Wow. So sport mode does kick you backwards big time because it's really fast. I'm gonna turn back into the dealership and go ahead and drive the 1.5. Yeah, so far it's really smooth. It's fast. Pickup is really quick. Throttle response is smooth. The gears shifting is smooth, and it's fast. I'm loving it. That's it. So thanks a lot, guys. Stay supported. Keep supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned, and yeah, make sure you're subscribed and all notifications are on. And yeah, that's it, guys, for this one. I'll be going for the 1.5 that should be uploaded next. The person you guys gotta see if you want yours for a good deal. This is it, guys. Make sure you got it. And just mention Honda Mod send me, you got a deal. I'm gonna come here in the future too. So thanks for watching the videos. And that's the dealership. It's pretty big. You guys can see it's clean.